Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. This is the Redmi K60 Ultra, which comes with 24 gigs of RAM plus 1 terabyte ROM. That's crazy, but in this video it's just gonna be a very simple unboxing. How does it feel? And again, I'm gonna do a really detailed review tomorrow. So let's get started. Subscribe if you haven't. All right. It seems like really thick. Okay, another one, another color, right? Okay, we have the white one. Yeah. Do feel good with nice curve on the edge. And it's astonishingly light. I thought it's gonna be heavy or something. The video, photo performance, just let me know what you wanna know in the comments. Alright. Seems nice picture. Alright, and let's check out what's left in the box. 120 watts fast charger. It's much bigger than the Mix Fold 3. Alright, and then the Type-C, and that's it. The detailed review will be out tomorrow, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. Huge thanks to Xiaomi staff. They always allow me to shoot videos here. They're just so nice. Alright. Yeah, it's all closed now. All closed. But yeah. We have to leave now. It's like 10 p.m.